In this tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. If this video is useful where you so simply hit the subscribe button. So first open the profile and click on the three lines. After that, here select the account center and now scroll down and find the personal detail and click on it. After that, click on the account ownership and control. Now click on the deactivation or deletion and select your Instagram account. And after that, here you have two options, deactivate or delete. So simple delete it and continue. Now select the reason. Click on the continue button. After that, again click on the continue button. Now here again click on the delete account button. Now put the password. After that, click on the continue. Now it's logging out. Your account is now deleted permanently.